Hi everybody, I'm Mareva Bouchot from south of France. I invite you to join us on the 4th Oritaiti Flash Mob. It's an international event. Please organize it in your own city on the 25th of May, and if you can't, no problem, you can organize it at any time you want. Song and lyrics by Tani Vayapini, video by Manon Pradier, choreography and explanation by Mareva Bouchot, and the logo is from Chile by Karina and Henry. Thank you! Hi, it's Mareva Bouchot, and we are making a video to explain you a little more the traductions of Ta'ere Maohi, the music for this 4th edition of the Oritaiti Flash Mob. Ta'ere Maohi was created by Tani Vayapini. Thank you. And Ta'ere means the culture. It also means the base of the Va'a. So you can think about the culture, the Polynesian culture, as a Va'a which is guiding us through the culture. The first part is talking about Tahitian, or maybe someone who fell in love with Polynesia and who's looking like a manu, like a bird in the sky, who's looking what everybody is doing with this culture, how everybody is dancing, transmitting the knowledge. That's why we say, I look far toward the horizon, I'm looking the others. I observe the roots of my culture, so I'm looking at what they are doing now with this. And because I feel peace and love, I'm thinking about my ancestors to maybe join them and transmit my culture. Second part is talking to the Polynesian culture. We say, we tell her she's it's the foundation of our life. We tell the culture, you're in my dreams, and you're the heart of my joy, you're the center of my joy. So I hope when you will dance this choreography, you will feel all these feelings we have when we are dancing, when we are trying to speak Tahitian. And I hope you will do it with a big smile on your face and with the heart very warm, with all the dancers you will be with. So that's why the third part is talking about dance with a smile. Orimai, we invite you to dance with a big smile on your face. Himene, we invite you to sing while you're dancing, while you're having fun. I hope everyone will see the joy that you have in your soul, in your body when you're dancing. And to the melodious sound of the instruments, thank you so much, Teanivai and all the musicians, for this new music created only for this flash mob. And that's a pleasure to end the song with "You Light Up My Heart." So I think it sums up every feeling and every thought we have about this Polynesian culture.
Anu
Okay, the basics for the first part and the next one. Tamao, 2 steps on the left, on the right, 2 steps on the left, 2 steps on the right, then Farabu. So 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, diagonal, Farabu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Tamao, you look at the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, you turn. On the right, on the left, on the right, on the left, and then you go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the first part, right hand at the head and left hand at the same height as the hips. You turn your chest in diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do the manu, the bird. Your best diagonal with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you turn your chest on the right and on the left. On the right, still on the right, and on the left. Then you stay on the left for the culture. Here you open your arms and you go up to show like all your knowledge about the culture. Then you just open your arms to show the time of love. You come back with right hand on your left shoulder and left hand on your belly. Then you think about your ancestors. So at the head, be careful with your arm, just open it. On the head, up, left hand on the head and up. So if I count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just present yourself. And then you come back to the ancestors. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we are going welcome the people to dance with their best smile, with your best smile. So your arms above you, forward, 2 times on the right. Then you show your best smile here, then up. You welcome the people to sing, so here at the mouth, and then to the sky, again with your best smile. Then we are talking about the music and the musician, so you're just gonna dance like you have a ukulele in your hands. And last part will be how dance and music can bring light to your life. So up to the sky with your right hand, you do the light, then with left hand, and then where is your heart? Here. So if I count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your heart, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part, the basics. You go forward on the right, then come back on the left, then come back with the tamao, and then you go up, teki faratu. Then tamao, you stay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part will be 1, 2, 3, 4, like a hula, a sway on the right and on the left. And last part will be 2 steps on the right with tamao, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the left 3, 4. So second part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tamao, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, teki, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please give us some energy on this part, on ta'e ma'oye. And when you go for the middle, you can stay here, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can go down, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the chorus, you just go again at the head, then up, at the head, then up, because we are talking about the culture from Polynesia. Then you put your hands on shoulders and go up again. First part, arms in diagonals, but one time you turn the chest on the right, one time on the left. Then again, head up. I dream of you, my Polynesian culture. You stay with your arms on the right of your head, with right hand a little up, more up. Then you just open your arm of your right arm and left arm. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Very sweet. Last part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maoli. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you come to your belly with your elbows opened, and you go up and just open to everyone. So if I count the chorus, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you open for the life, because it's the foundation of your life. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Polynesian culture. 1, 2, 3, 4. I dream of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this one you can go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the right, to Tamaos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Le refrain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Explanations for the bridge. You just stay in front and go to the pauti here on your toes. Open arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you would think about closing your feet. It's more elegant. Then you go on side with the same arms and love. You go 2 times on the right, 2 times on the left with the varu. You just do the like you're drawing an 8. Right, left, stop. Left, right, left, stop. Backward with the kisses. Time out, 2 times on the right, 2 times on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, varu. Right, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. And it's okay. I count. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you cannot do the varu, maybe you're a beginner, it's okay, you just do the tamao. On the right, on the left, it's okay, please just dance. At the end of the song, Tenivei puts some basic rhythm called takoto and dostoma. Takoto is like ta 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 da da. Tenemos, we have one takoto to put ourselves to the mirror, to the public, to the people. And here, please don't put your arms here, but a little more to the sky. And you really open your arms here. It's more elegant. So one takoto to present yourself, and then your best faraku ever. Tita 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 ta da da, tita 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 ta da da, and the end of the hands to the sky, and never here. You open your arms on side, tita 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 ta da da, and down, tita 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 ta da da, again, tita 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 ta da da. You be careful with your arms, your elbows. Open, tita 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 ta da da. In front of you, tita 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 ta da da, tita 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 ta da da. To Toma, ta da 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 ta da 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 da. Hey! Tu l'as fait ça? Tu en as pour 3 minutes. Dans 3 minutes, elle peut. Allez, c'est pas le moment.
But front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paoti. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in front of you and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love. 2, 3, 4. And then you think about your ancestor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapavu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part. In front of you. Head to the sky. Head to the sky. Tapavu. And Paoti. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paoti. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And third part. To the right. Come to dance with me. With joy. 3, 4. In front of you to sing 1, 2, 3, 4 with joy. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the sound of the musician. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You present yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. It brings light to your heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the end of the song, you have the takoto with the paoti in front of you, to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front, and at the end, paoti, your best paoti, and just hey.